channel. Today I'm going to be opening a fashion fidget doll and also a Cats vs. Pickles stuffed animal thing. So let's see what's inside. So I'm going to open this first. Oh wait, I'm going to go get some scissors. I'll be right back. Okay, I got some scissors. Let me push in my chair. Okay, let's open it. Okay. It's a cat! Look, it's a cat. It's a big one, so yeah, it's so cute. It's pink. Let me see the checklist. This is the checklist for it. Let me see its name. Let's see. Oh, its name is Flage, I think. I don't know. It's right there. I don't know. I guess that's its name. So now I'm gonna open this one. I'm gonna use scissors, I guess. Again. Okay, let's see this. Whoa. This is cool. It's really long hair. It's like a pop tube hair. That's cool. I think it's her ponytail. It's really long. It's like a mini. And then she also has a pop-it dress. It's cute. Ooh. And then her face has these little clicky things and stuff. Did her dress come off? Yeah, her dress can come off. Like you could put on your backpack or anything. Is there anything else? Nope. But there is this cool bag thing. And this is the checklist and stuff. And oh, there's pets too. That's really cute. Oh, her name is Charlie. That's her name. And she's black and white, so yeah. That's really satisfying. Her hair is really cool. That's really cool. This is what it is. Her hair. This is what she looks like. She also has this, so you can put on your backpack or something, whatever you want. And stuff. She looks so cute. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what this is a close up of them. So this is the fashion fidget doll. She pops her dress and also has this pop tube hairstyle and stuff. And I also got this cat, which is pink, and she kind of looks like camouflage kind of thing. So yeah. So thank you for watching my video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and have a cat-tastic day. Bye!